So here, if we go here to featured links right here, these are really important. The reason why, being that we help facilitate so many M&O chapters, one of the things, and even myself, I run into in my own chapter, one of the things I run into are people who don't have updated featured links, or people who may not direct where to post these featured links. And you kind of get to the point of, yes, we want to promote others. However, if there's no new featured links, it almost makes it impossible to do. So if we're going to get to a goal of 10 or 20 posts in 1 week, the only way we can actually do that and do it effectively is if everyone's updating their featured links. So one of the things, when you do have an updated feature link, please make a note in the messenger. Soon, hopefully soon, there will be something on the app that will let us know who has updated the feature link, so we can just go straight there and promote those people and not have to look and search and find that. So that is a feature that will be coming to the M&O app, hopefully sooner than later. But I'm on, let's see, let me just pick, I'm going to pick a random member, whoever shows up first on my chapter, Eric. All right, so I'm going to go to his featured links. So what he wrote was, I have a website domain shared to poetry, video, photo, music, anything related to the arts group. Okay, so the title is great. You're telling us you have a website domain. We kind of know what it's about, and you're asking us to share to poetry, video, photo, music. Now, that's this week's featured link. So to keep everybody else in the chapter organized without them having to think, because again, one of the things that I run into is, okay, I posted for Eric, for example, last week, but I don't remember did I post to a business group? Did I post to an art group? Don't let your members think about that. You think about it for them. So when you direct them like this, share to a poetry, video, photo group, it's very important, because next week you can say post to business groups, or the following, or you could even break it up even more, Eric. You could say post to poetry groups this week and video, and maybe send out in the messenger some ideas, or put in your biography and business. Find those groups for your members to join on your behalf, because they may not be part of it. So you don't have any Facebook pages filled out. So for example, you can go here, and I know I'm longer than 2 minutes right now. So, but you can go here and you can go to poetry. Find those groups for your members. Here's art, literature, poetry. All you have to do is click on it, copy this, and then go into your biography and business here and type in Facebook group, paste it. And then all your members have to do is now copy it, and they go to Facebook and look for that group, and they will join it. So do that each week. Actually strategize and think about how you're going to market. Think about it. Take some time out of your week. Take half an hour once a week. If you really want to grow your music, or you really want to grow your business, you got to put some time and effort into it. So back to the feature link. So next week you could switch it up to a different group. So then your members know that you are that person that is constantly updating their feature links and letting us know where to go. So this is Eric's website. He wrote, check out Eric's website, full of music, poetry, and educational videos. He's building a network of passionate artists that wish to collaborate and share their talents. I like it. However, remember, these are people that don't know who you are. They could probably care less. Maybe they could care. But one of the things you could do, it's not a bad feature link, but in my mind, if I'm scrolling through and I see this, what would grab my attention would be something like, hey, artists that want to collaborate, check this out. This guy's Eric webpage is full of music and poetry. It's a little bit more exciting. It's grabbing to those people who want to collaborate on and share their talents. So put that first, because again, they don't know Eric. So the first thing they're going to see is Eric's website. I don't know Eric, I don't really care. But people are selfish. So if you're going to them and you're attracting them as collaborate, do you want to collaborate? Then they will focus on it a little bit more. So that's some coaching tips for you. Back to you, Emo.
Well done. Well done.